According to RTI, 38% of the IIT graduates are unemployed, which means approximately 8,000 of the students who have graduated from IIT are unemployed. Why is this? Information shows that it's because of clear mismatch between industry needs and the skill set. Big tech companies like Google and Microsoft are rejecting the people with fancy degrees but are giving employment to the people with high skill set which can provide more values to their organization. Now, this is the clear proof of high skills dominating the fancy degrees. Now, being brutally honest, there are many colleges out there who can provide us degrees, but skills are something that many colleges are lacking behind to teach us. Now, in the current scenario where competition is so high and AI is taking its place in the industry, it's clear that you need a high value skill set more than a degree to make you stand out of the crowd. Now, this should make it clear that your degree cannot land you a high paying job. I'm myself pursuing BTech degree, but what I feel is that whatever we are learning from college is not exactly what the industry needs. Hello everyone, I'm Mayank, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 skills which can make you stand aside from the crowd. According to my research, these are the skills which actually companies care about, get you hired, and maybe you can start freelancing or make your own projects with it. The very first skill is prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is the easiest skill to learn right now and it is highly in demand. Now, what is prompt engineering? Now, the today's market is more and more depending upon AI and companies are using AI tools. But AI is waste if you can't properly give them instructions to what to do. There are very few people who knows how to efficiently use the AI, give it instructions and get the desired output. You can make AI to do anything or get any desired output from it if you know exactly how to give it instructions properly. What most people don't understand is that a well structured and a specific prompt can turn an average content to a high value or a unique content. So if you want AI to make videos, images, codes, scripts or anything for you, learn how to prompt properly and it can literally 10x the quality of your content. If you are wondering that where to learn prompting from, you can learn prompting from learnprompt.org. I will include the link in the description. Aside from that, there are hundreds of free YouTube tutorials available on how to prompt correctly. The second skill is web scraping and automation with Python. This is a simple skill to start and very powerful in real life. And no, this doesn't mean that I'm telling you to become a programmer bug or write 500 lines of code. That's not true. What I mean is writing small scripts and collecting data automatically. Web scraping is just fancy way of telling that pulling useful data from the websites automatically. It's like teaching your laptop to go on a website, fetch the data, and present it in front of you in a form of table or any other file. Now the companies are paying really high to the people who can web scrap for them efficiently. Now what you can make to web scrap is a job seeker bot which can go on sites like LinkedIn, fetch the data about the new job openings, or you can make a stock tracker which can analyze the ups and downs in the stock and present it in front of you. Web scraping is one of the most highest paying skill in 2025. Now, if you are willing to learn web scraping, watch free Python course on YouTube which covers the basics very well. After that, search for beautiful soap web scraping tutorials. In those beautiful soap scraping tutorials, you will learn about web scraping and how to implement it in a real life and automation task as well. And last but not the least, the third skill which we are going to talk about in this video is building dashboards for the companies. Now every company needs someone who can take the raw data and make visuals of it. This is where you can come in. After learning how to make dashboards for the companies, you can make simple dashboards for the people, take their information, show in a numeric form or great visuals. Dashboards are like control panels for the business. It shows that what's working, what is not, what a company needs more, and what a company needs to eliminate. Whether it is about tracking, sales, leads, performance, or anything, dashboards are something which keep the teams aligned and help in moving forward. Now, you don't need to be a coding genius for making dashboards like that. You can use Google Data Studio, Notion Dashboard, Airtable, or Napkin.ai to make creative visuals for you. And of course, if you know Python and coding, you can make creative dashboards yourself, which can client happily pay you for. Now, creating visual dashboards like that is one of the best skills you can learn in 2025. You can get a high paying job for it. Of course, you can help small businesses to grow as a freelancer. Trust me, it makes you stand aside and get you highly paid. Now learn all these 3 skills and make projects upon it. because those projects are the proof of your skills, and skills is higher than the degree. Now let's get a quick recap upon the thing. The first one is learn how to talk to AI and Stack tools. The second one is automate boring tasks with Python. And the third one is turn numbers into the dashboard. Through this video, I don't mean that degree is totally irrelevant or has no value. But the thing is, this is getting outdated and the future belongs to those who have great skills. Now, if you are thinking to learn Python and AI, I have created a 30 days roadmap to learn Python and AI very efficiently. That video can help you to get a clear idea of how to learn Python and AI. It is a 30 days roadmap with clear step-by-step procedure to each. So yeah, that's all for today. If you think that this video was informative to you, drop a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Learn the skills and I will see you in the next one.